Hello students, welcome back to your EVS class. Beta, in our last class we have done question answers of chapter 12. We have done question answers 1, 2 and 3. Today we will continue our question answers and we'll do question number 4 and 5. After that we will also do our worksheet. So, without wasting our time, let us start our work. Take out your notebook. Yes, students, in our last class, we have done chapter 12, question number 1, 2, and question number 3. Today, we will do question number 4. So, here, after skipping one line, write down question number 4. Question number 4 is write 2 examples of air transport. Write 2 examples of air transport. Okay. Answer is aeroplane, helicopter, number 3 rocket, and number 4, and beta here we will write number 4 hot air balloon. Okay, now you can write any 2 from here. Okay beta. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is which is the fastest means of transport? Which is the fastest means of transport? Okay, can you tell me which is the fastest? Land, air or water? Answer is air transport. Air transport is the fastest. Okay. Now beta, we have done the question answers. Alright. So, let us do our worksheet. Okay children, take out your worksheet book. Yes beta, now this is our worksheet number 10, chapter means of transport, page number 21. Now let us do it. Write your name, class, section and roll number on the top. First question is tick the correct option. First part, helicopter is a means of. Helicopter is a means of. Helicopter किसका means है? Water transport or air transport? Helicopter is a means of air transport. So tick on air transport. Okay. Next question. This is a means of water transport. Now see, ship or car, which is a means of water transport? Ship. So tick on ship. Land transport runs on. बेटा land transport किस पर run करते हैं, किस पर चलते हैं vehicles? Water पर या roads पर? Roads. So tick on roads. Okay बेटा. A train moves on. Where a train moves? Train कहाँ चलती है? Tracks or land? A train moves on track. Okay. To tick on track. Now B part. Place the names of these vehicles in correct column. Here some means of transport are given, vehicles are given. You have to divide them if they are land transport, water transport or air transport. Beta, the vehicles which belongs to land transport you will write here. The vehicle that are water transport, you will write here. And the vehicles that are air transport, that belongs to air transport, you will write here. Now first is spacecraft. Spacecraft means rocket. So where it will go? In land transport, water transport or air transport? Rocket moves in air, so we'll write here, write down. We will write here in air transport. Spacecraft. Next is boat. Boat is a water transport, so we will write it here. Next is aeroplane. Aeroplane is air transport, so we will write it here. Next is ship. Ship is a water transport, so we will write it here. Next is cycle. Cycle we use on land, and truck. Truck also moves on land. So now we have done land transport, water transport and air transport. Now beta, question number C. Answer these questions. Which is the fastest means of transport? Yes, we have done it in question answers also. Which means of transport is fastest? Air transport. Air transport is fastest means of transport. Okay. How do we go from one place to another? बेटा how we go from one place to another, एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पर कैसे जाएंगे? By using means of transport. हम means of transport का यूज़ करेंगे. Okay, we can go from one place to another place by using means of transport. Okay, now let us see which is the next question on next page. This is page number 22. Page number 22. Okay, now let us see which is our next question. Yes, next question is, why do we use different means of transport? हम means of transport का use किस लिए करते हैं? तो answer is to travel from one place to another. One place to another place पर जाने के लिए. To travel from one place to another. Okay. Now, trace on the doors to complete the picture of animals used as means of transport. Yes, beta. These animals are used as means of transport. Like people do horse riding. Horse पर बैठ के riding करते हैं. They use bullock cart. तो bull का use करते हैं. Okay. People also travel on elephants. They sit on the back of elephants. And camel. People sit on camel in desert area. रेगिस्तान में ऊँट की सवारी करते हैं. Okay. So you have to color them and match the dots. Next part is write the name of above animals to complete the sentences. Now these animal name you have to write here. Dash is used to pull a टांगा. टांगा बेटा horse गाड़ी को जो horse से चलती है उसको बोलते हैं टांगा. So we will write here horse. H capital will come. Okay, H is capital. Dash is called the ship of desert. Yes, desert होता है रेगिस्तान, और रेगिस्तान का जहाज ship किसको बोला जाता है? Camel को. So we will write here camel. Camel is used in desert. Dash is used in forest to carry logs of wood. Forest में बड़े बड़े logs of wood, लकड़ी के भारे भारे pieces को उठाने के लिए किसका यूज़ किया जाता है? Elephants. ELEPHANTS. Sorry, elephant, not elephants. Okay. Dash is used to pull carts. Carts को pull करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है bull का. So we will write here bull. Okay, children. So now we have done the worksheet. today's homework is complete your worksheet and question answers and learn them. Okay children, take care. Bye.